Has your battery ever betrayed you at a critical moment? Don't worry, we now introducing the high-capacity battery, which lasts longer than original battery. Battery health shown. Support iOS 18.1 and above. Let's watch out the video for high-capacity battery replacement for iPhone XS Max. Original battery support 12.28 watt-hour. However, high-capacity battery support 14.7 watt-hour, so it can last longer than original battery. We also provide service to install the original water-resistant glue. Customer also requests to replace the screen with new Oled LED. We use the special tool under Apple to fix well the water-resistant glue and screen. Fit. Phone on. We also copy the original True Tone for screen replacement. The battery can support iOS 18.1 and above. Battery show unknown part because non-original battery is installed. Check again the battery health. Battery health back to 100%.